The heart of aerospace, medical, and military equipment. Circuit card assembly CCA. More demanding than standard PCBA, reliability is paramount. 1. What is CCA? Essentially high-end PCBA, but focused on high reliability. It involves mounting components on bare boards and soldering them into shape specifically designed for scenarios where failure is unacceptable. It demands stricter standards and more precise processes. 2. Core processes. Precision plus protection plus rigorous testing. Precision placement. Micron-level accuracy accommodates components from micro-sized parts to large connectors. Advanced soldering. Reflow soldering plus selective soldering meets the high standards of IPSA 610. Triple-proof coating. Resists moisture, dust, and vibration for harsh environments. Multi-stage testing. OE plus X-ray inspection plus functional testing plus environmental stress screening to eliminate early failures. 3. Key application industries. Aerospace, defense, medical equipment, court or marine. Industrial automation. Telecom base stations, wherever high reliability is required. CCA is there. 4. Kaboer's CCA commitment. We go beyond automated production, prioritizing process control and traceability, meeting stringent standards. We fortify core system reliability with expert teams and advanced testing.